Welcome to our video on how to fix a cracked or broken screen on your MacBook Pro in Sydney, NSW. In this video, we'll be showing you step-by-step instructions on how to replace your MacBook Pro screen and get it back to working like new. Whether you're a professional or a do-it-yourself enthusiast, this video will guide you through the process with ease. So, let's get started. Step 1. Before you begin, it's important to gather all the necessary tools and parts. You'll need a new MacBook Pro screen, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a spudger tool. You can purchase a new screen from a reputable online retailer or a local Apple repair shop in Sydney. Make sure to get the correct screen for your specific model of MacBook Pro. Step 2. Next, turn off your MacBook Pro and unplug it from any power source. Then, use the Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws from the bottom of the MacBook Pro. Carefully lift the back cover off to reveal the inside of the laptop. Step 3. Use the spudger tool to gently disconnect the cables that are connected to the screen. Be sure to label or take a photo of the cables to remember where they go. Once the cables are disconnected, you can carefully lift the old screen out of the MacBook Pro. Step 4. Now, it's time to install the new screen. Carefully place the new screen into the MacBook Pro, making sure that all the cables are properly connected. Once the new screen is in place, use the Phillips head screwdriver to reattach the back cover and secure it with the screws. Step 5. Finally, turn on your MacBook Pro and test the new screen. Make sure that it's working properly and that there are no dead pixels or other issues. If everything looks good, you're all set. Your MacBook Pro is now back to working like new. That's it, you've successfully replaced your MacBook Pro screen. If you run into any issues or have any questions, feel free to reach out to a professional repair shop in Sydney, NSW. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.